What the hell is he doing down there? I better go check on him. Eric. Dumbass.
Some search for reasons in the fading light. Why my shadow doesn't quite fit right. I was made this way. Like the river knows just where it has to flow. There are some things you can only feel and know. I was made this way. Some search for reasons in the
shining in your eyes. I know that you're planning another big
riding on the back of my truck. My daddy. Shoot. Reminds me when I was a kid. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Slow down, Daddy. Slow down. Shoot. Yeah. Daddy. Hey. Oh, shoot. Always something around here. Reminds him of his childhood. Falling out of the back of the truck. Anyways. Change it up a bit. Look what happened last night. This is real footage, people. No soundtracks, no effects, nothing. I don't know what it was, but anyways. Horror. Yeah, this is horror. Push the horror button, that's just... Viewer discretion advised. What the heck was that? Kidding me? Shoot. Shoot. Sorry, people. Got the horror button stuck. That's not funny. There it is. Whew. That was a close call. I mean, sorry. Shoot. Didn't mean to scare you. Derek, we might have lost a couple subscribers, maybe. That's what I'm thinking. That wasn't very nice. Although it did happen. Real fight, whatever it was. Mountain lions? Huh. A zoo channel. Let's do something about the zoo. Animals. Hey, anybody awake yet? Came up with some good stuff last night. Anybody? Didn't have a pencil. I think I can remember it all. It's not funny. What are you guys laughing at? Morning, Dirk. Shoot. Yeah, we'll strip. Running down, but I had ideas. Already working 5 jobs. That's the other one. Just wondering. Yeah. We filming? Yeah, we're recording. 2 seconds ago. 2 seconds ago. Started 3 seconds ago. You get dressed? Anyways, we started some good ideas 2 seconds ago. Oh, we got good ideas, man. Late? Thanks. Okay. Moving. Come on, guys. Dressed. Going. Bye bye. Anyways, your stuff's written down on my book. I'm doing Western. That's what I'm talking about. Safety. That's all I got. First. Shoot! Ow! Got it. Did it work? set my alarm. Darn it. Everybody stop what they're doing. Everybody stop what they're doing. Stop. In case you're wondering, the sheriff in town, or burger flipper in town. Something about, what do you want me on fries? Put me on fries, clean up, do it all. Anyways, alright, let's see. See at the drive-thru. Burgers on me. You.
To investigate.